Will you hear as well tomorrow? How are Maria and the kids? You ask a co-worker during lunch. Your friend looks at you with empty eyes. He scratches his head and answers. Well, they say it's going to rain this afternoon. Now you're the one with empty eyes. You've just realized your friend can't hear well. Is this due to prolonged noise exposure at work? You start thinking about the noise around you constantly. Whether we realize it or not. Noise surrounds us almost all the time. This problem is not new. Industrial hearing loss was first diagnosed in English blacksmiths in 1830. Today, millions of workers around the world have hearing problems directly related to workplace noise. We all need to be aware of the health problems noise can cause. Common chronic problems include headaches, high blood pressure, increased anxiety, poor vision, hearing loss. High-frequency noise can also damage cardiovascular, respiratory, and nervous systems. Noise contributes to low morale, loss of concentration, reduced productivity, absenteeism, and dissatisfaction with daily work. Experts say humans adapt quickly to noise. This is a serious problem. We may get used to loud, annoying sounds. But that doesn't mean they stop harming us. The machines and equipment we use daily create loud, annoying noise. These sounds can lead to hearing problems. I can't constantly remind each of you to wear your hearing protection. We've talked about the need for ear protection before. This advice isn't just for form's sake. Our company's management is concerned about protecting your hearing. Hearing protection devices are essential, especially in areas with very loud noise. Some of you have told me that these devices cause discomfort. If you use earplugs, for example, and they don't reduce noise or cause discomfort, please let us know immediately so we can fix the problem. If you need to talk to a coworker wearing ear protection, use hand signals to direct them to a quieter place. Remove their protection, and then communicate the message. You all have the responsibility to regularly inspect your hearing protection equipment. Regular inspection is key. If a device isn't providing proper protection, your hearing could deteriorate without you noticing. We are our best defense against noise. Our company is investing heavily to reduce noise in our operations. However, it's not enough. All machines, no matter how well protected, produce annoying, potentially harmful noise. You can suggest ways to make the machines you work with quieter. Now, let me remind you of 3 more things we can do to reduce noise. Regularly inspect all machines and fix noisy equipment. Perform noisy tasks when fewer people are nearby. Turn off noisy machines when not in use. Remember, noise surrounds us everywhere. Not just at work, but at home and on the streets. We can often hear the TV and radio better by lowering the volume. Even household appliances work better and quieter when maintained properly. Tell your children not to shout across the house. As someone once said, if noise anywhere can be deafening, silence can also be golden. One of our company's goals is to keep noise levels low. But, as you know, we can't always achieve this. That's why I recommend always using hearing protection. Especially when your hearing could be damaged. It would be sad if one day we couldn't hear the laughter of our children,